Hello, my name's Roger. I'm the product promoter for technical chemicals in the Wurth Group. Today I'm here with Wurth Australia, and I would like to talk about one of our most famous products, which is Industry Cleaner. Industry Cleaner has been designed years ago as a special cleaner to remove residues from any stickers and labels, but it's also suitable to remove protection films, for example waxy films, rubber films, silicone films, oily films, also suitable for greasy films. This product can be applied on most surfaces. It comes with NSF certification, which enables also applicators in food processing industries to use the product in their application. So here's our Industry Cleaner, and here's a paper towel. So let's go and find some spot at Wurth Australia which can be cleaned. Wurth Industry Cleaner, the product of choice for all kinds of cleaning and degreasing applications on various surfaces. Yeah, Industry Cleaner, ready for work.